I really had a hard day. I failed my math test, and my favorite teacher is leaving. It's hard being me.
Sometimes God uses a tough time to make you stronger. It's a great day here at Keys for Kids, and my name is Zach. Let's get started. I really wish that life was super easy and that you would never have any problems, but it's just not true. But God can use a challenging time in your life to help you grow and depend on Him. You see, the hard times you go through prepare you for a future that's way better than anything here on this earth. 2 Corinthians 4:17 reminds us, "For our light and momentary troubles are achieving for us an eternal glory that far outweighs them all." Our story for today is called Wrinkle-Free. When he got home from school, Jason found his mom in the laundry room. "How was your day?" Mom asked as she looked up from a shirt she was ironing. "Terrible," said Jason. "I failed a math test and I have to take it over again. Then I found out my favorite teacher is moving away, and then I accidentally knocked down the principal's daughter." "Knocked her down? How did that happen?" "I came around a corner really fast and ran into her," Jason said. "I apologized, but she's probably still mad." "I'm sure she knows you didn't do it on purpose," Mom said. Jason sighed. "I doubt it. She probably told all her friends what a loser I am." Jason looked at the shirt Mom was ironing. "That's my shirt for your cousin's wedding this weekend, isn't it?" "That's right." The doorbell rang and Mom handed him the partially ironed shirt. "Here, why don't you finish ironing it while I answer the door?" When Mom returned, Jason had just finished pressing the shirt. He held it up. "Look at this," he said. "It's wrinkle-free." Mom nodded. The heat and pressure of the iron took the wrinkles out. She turned off the iron and unplugged it. Sometimes that's how God gets the wrinkles out of us, too. "Wrinkles?" Jason rubbed his forehead. "I don't have wrinkles yet." Mom laughed. "I'm thinking of wrinkles in the way we think and act. Things like impatience, anger, and self-pity, just to name a few. God sometimes uses the heat and pressure of difficulties in our lives to iron them out." "So you think God is using the stuff that happened to me today to make me more patient and not feel sorry for myself so I can be wrinkle-free?" "Well, we'll never be wrinkle-free until we get to heaven. We'll always have things we struggle with. But He does use the things that happen in our lives, even things we don't like, to make us more like Jesus and help us love and care for others. And He's always with us in the troubles we face, too." Jason nodded. "I guess I'd better go study for that math test, huh?" "Yes," Mom said. "At least you're getting another chance to iron that out." Well, how about you? Do you ever feel pressured by what's going on in your life? God sometimes uses difficult circumstances to press the wrinkles out of us. It may be uncomfortable for a while, but He's doing it to make us more like Jesus. Be patient as He teaches you to trust Him and show His love for others. He promises to be with you as He irons the wrinkles out of your life. Our key verse, once again, in the New Testament book of 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 17.
For our light and momentary troubles are achieving for us an eternal glory that far outweighs them all.
And our key thought for today: patiently endure difficulties. I'm Zach. Thanks for spending time with listener-supported Keys for Kids.